let's start with, yeah, the Ultimate Human Body 2.0 now with interactive 3D models. What else do we get? Trial subscription to a private online health club site with news and advice on a healthy lifestyle. I could probably use that. That actually sounds pretty good. But let's put it up. Let's have a look, shall we? Gonna jump in? There we go. Never wants to do the first double click. Don't know why. But yeah, the DK multimedia stuff, we found out is actually really good, like high quality stuff. I think the last one of these we played was the Stephen Beastie's cross sections, looking at that like British man of war. Like that was actually really interesting from what I saw of that. Yes, we're gonna look and see what the effects of alcohol do to a human body, based on the fun times everyone had last night for New Year's, and turn that down a little bit more. Oh, and they put looks like it's got all the organs in there. Yeah, righto. Certainly is a lot to the human body. Cool. Let's see if there's a lot to the game. Hopefully it is. So what do we get? 3D scanner, system scanner. Can't do the online stuff. We can do a quiz challenge. Then we can do x-rays. Okay. Seems a little bare bones for what's here, but let's do that. Let's do the body quiz challenge first and see what I know from just, you know, yeah, we'll see what I can do, and then we'll go back through it. We'll see if we learn something.
To complete your journey through the body. Score 2 points for a correct answer on your first try, and 1 point if you are right on the second attempt. Click the start button to begin the quiz, or cancel to leave.
Right, just start. Oh, we get an actual, like, video clips with it too? Oh, we're going through the body, that's how we're learning. Okay. Where does the optic nerve enter the eye? Whatever the fovea is? No, incorrect. Blind spot? That is apparently correct. Okay. And we're gonna have a little swim with some gems and shit. How many muscles control the movement of your eyeball? I'd say at least 30. Incorrect. B is incorrect. Only 6. So what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah, for the iris, that'd be your other 2. How many olfactory receptors do you have? I believe olfactory smell, if I remember. I think there's a fair few. No, 20 million. Okay. Yep, still going through. What is the ramus? Flat bone in which jaw muscles are connected, the area which the teeth are set, or the chin. Touch. Okay, that one's correct. Alright. Oh, and it is showing us where we are in the body. Righto. Which is the deepest vein in the upper arm? Basilic, maybe? Axillary seems, yeah, further out for some reason. What is absorbed through your villi? Oh yeah, that's all the little thingies. I think it's digest food. Yes, that one's correct. The splenic, gastric, and hepatic arteries all branch from the pulmonary artery, the aorta, or the superior vena cava. Gastric. Are they the actual arteries attached to them? Probably they're not super important compared to the other stuff, so I reckon it's further away from the heart. No, not the vena cava. Pulmonary? No, the aorta. Oh, maybe it's relevant. No, I got no idea. Hopefully we're going to learn some stuff, because I'm not doing very well on this quiz. What are the chromatin strands inside the nucleus of a cell made from? Plasma? DNA. Okay. Yep, still going through that blood. What function does the carotid artery have? I'm pretty sure it carries oxygen-rich blood to your head. Because that's the one up in your neck. That's the one you don't want to open up. Why would you inject someone with a radioactive substance? I thought it was to say to kill them. That's one way of doing things. Kill bacteria. I believe it's to scan them. Because you can put like a dye, radioactive dye, and that shows up on scans. What happens during ovulation? Women get pissed off at you. Egg is released from an ovary. Because if it were a fertilized egg, you'd have a baby. What do the duodenum, the jejunum, and the ileum make up? I think it's small. No, I want to say duodenum. I thought that was like the lower part of the stomach, so I'm going to say small intestine. And that's correct. Yep. What is the widest part of your digestive system? I want to say the colon. No, large intestine. No, stomach. Yeah, because it's... Yeah, that makes sense. Which is the heaviest bone in your body? Now, we established what the ileum was before, didn't we? Alright, probably. Yeah, femur's a pretty big bone, isn't it? Well, we certainly have a lot to learn in this. How many more questions do we have? Which muscle makes up the bulk of the buttock? That'd be the gluteus maximus. Good shit. Still working our way through. Oh, we have completed the journey.
Congratulations.
19 out of 30.
The body quiz challenge. Your final
We're good. We'll see. We'll see if we can beat that. Let's scan some
Click
systems.
on the body machine figure to zoom into the secret world beneath your skin. Or click inside the picture boxes to find out how your body works.
Yeah, right. And you can scan some shit. Yep. Oh, this is... oh, there he is. There's my boy. Look at this fella living in a different year. How you doing, Anchor? I'm guessing you're not quite in 2023 yet. Based on the time. What is the time for you? Let me just check. Do you have the world clock here? Oh, it's only like 9 for you. So a couple hours. How you doing? You started drinking yet? I'm sure it's gonna be fun times. Yeah, this is. I obviously need to learn this.
What happens when you exercise?
You gonna read any of this out for us?
As you walk, your heart rate is
Oh, okay.
constant at about
I exist within 2022. I have cracked a hard Mountain
Can be
Dew.
measured by
Good
detecting
shit,
the
mate. Good
electrical
shit.
signals sent by your heart and displaying them as patterns on the screen of an electrocardiograph, or ECG, machine.
Oh yeah, I had one of those recently. I'm saving the bubbly from near midnight. Yeah, no, that's a fair idea. That's not a bad idea at all. During exercise, your heart can pump up to 5 times more blood around your body. The amount of blood leaving the heart each time it pumps increases by 10 to 35%. Also, the number of times the heart beats per minute can more than double its normal amount. The activity change is recorded in the graph above. Alright, oh, you can see what the lungs get up to
As you start to run,
while you're running.
breathe more quickly and deeply in order to absorb more oxygen and expel more carbon dioxide.
Huh?
These breathing rate changes are represented by the increased closeness and depth of the waves on the graph.
Yeah, that's how you do it, I guess. Oh, hang on. Oh, you can do a little viewer? What's the viewer though? Body machine. Doesn't give you like close-ups or anything. Maybe you can like click and drag it. Yeah, you can sort of click and drag this. What else can we learn? We've been cutting it. This poor bugger's been cut in half down the side here. Yeah, what's I was trying to learn stuff to do the quiz later on. Yeah, I should know what happens here.
When you sleep.
Oh, you don't want to tell me that? Okay.
Adult sleeping cycles.
Uh-huh. Every 90 minutes you're meant to switch to REM sleep. Yeah. Oh, okay, and we can
During
see
an average 8-hour
a bit of that going on.
An adult will slip from deep sleep into increasing periods of dream sleep every 90 minutes. The periods of
I can't do this anymore because I usually have to get up and have a piss. I tried not doing it today and I ended up waking up with the worst headache just because I got dehydrated. Really
You
gotta...
are most likely to dream during REM or rapid eye movement sleep.
These diagrams remind me of a book from my childhood that made me ill. I remember there being a few of these. Well, this is by, what was it, D something multimedia. The ones that did like the cross-section things fucking a while back. So there usually is a book version of this floating around somewhere. Can we get a thinger, a spiel about the body machine?
Click on the body machine.
No, we actually did that already. Okay. Well, that wasn't too exciting. Can we switch over?
The circulatory.
Oh, you can go to each
operated by the
system.
heart,
Okay.
which pumps
Okay. Yeah, yep. That's certainly blood.
blood vessels.
Basically, it was one of those what's inside books with cross sections of different things, ships, planes, cars, etc. Yeah, I vaguely remember having like a generalized one as well. Don't know what it was called for the life of me, but I remember people eventually getting like. I know the Star Wars ones got really popular. For all the Star Wars nerds. Yeah, let's learn about that reproductive system, shall we? Yeah, look at that shit. Going straight from penis. Hang on, put that back.
The purpose of the male reproductive system is to produce and release sperm to fertilize a female egg. All the organs of the reproductive system are present in a young boy, but sperm is not produced until puberty.
Puberty. And we can apparently... we can zoom in a fair bit. All right. Oh, we can... Yeah, there we go. Oh, you even get the rundown. Yep. Prostate, urethra, testis. We get the one for the girls too. Is it in... Oh no, that's the standard amount of detail for a medical textbook. Yeah, okay. Uterine tube.
The female reproductive system.
That is certainly a reproductive system. Where else can we go? The lymphatic.
The lymphatic system is a
Yeah, I don't really
collection
know
of
much about lymph nodes.
organs and tissues which collect excess fluid or lymph from your body and transport it back to the heart.
Oh, that's what it's
The
for.
lymphatic system also helps to defend the body against
The
infection.
one that disrupted me the most, it was a cross-section of an army tank, which in of itself wasn't bad, but it showed the driver's seat, engine, and inside of the gun barrel. You found that disturbing? That's...
Lymph
not sure
vessels
why.
of the pelvis.
Yeah, I definitely had more of a fascination with a lot of the cross-section stuff.
Pelvic lymph
What do these do again? Drain excess tissue fluid from the lower body. So that's the point of your lymph nodes. Okay.
Spleen.
Okay. Filters blood by removing bacteria, debris, and worn out red blood cells. Lymphocytes destroy invading microorganisms. Okay. Well, that's certainly a spleen. What else we got? For some odd, ungodly reason, they sliced the poor pilot in half. Sliced him in half at the waist. You could see his intestines on full display. Okay, that didn't seem necessary. If you're showing off like the cutaway for a tank, yeah, that seems all weird.
The system consists of 2 kidneys, a bladder, and their connections. The
Tank
main
itself
function
didn't
of
bother you.
the system
Okay, yeah, if it was the actual pilot chopped in half, that's fair enough.
Through the production.
Because I do remember seeing
It also gets rid of some waste products.
something about they apparently have done that with bodies at some certain stages. Like they've like frozen it and then sliced it really thin to do like a 3D map sort of thing. Core memory that's stuck in my brain for 2 decades. Yeah, I've definitely been doing that myself. I've unlocked a few core memories. We were talking about that on the ad stream the other week. I remembered the computer my uncle had when I was a kid.
Known as the liver, the gallbladder, and
It's called the
pancreas.
Micro B.
This system breaks down food into simple sub.
All right, yeah, I guess we get that. There's a butthole.
Intestines.
Sphinctus.
sphincters.
Oh, that's all it tells you. Just sphincter. Yeah, righto. So what other systems we got? We sort of see what the hormones do.
Consists of a collection of glands which release chemical messages called hormones into the blood. Hormones travel around the body to reach
I get
specific
those all the
organs
time.
and
It just says
tissues,
you're fat.
where they help
You're
to
fat.
regulate activities.
Don't know
such
if
as
it was
growth,
intentional or not, but that has no business
and more
being in a
general
kid's
body
book.
functions.
Yeah, no. Okay, let's learn about hormonal glands.
Hormonal glands of the brain.
Oh, we can even, like, get a little rundown on cerebrum. Cerebellum? Oh, you get a little zoom in on that, which means little brain. Down behind the brain stem, yep. What else we got? Thyroid glands.
Thyroid and parathyroid glands.
Chemical activity in your body cells produce energy. The other that increases the level of calcium in your bloodstream.
Thyroid gland.
Okay. Oh, this guy sounds a little like Malcolm McDowell, if I'm being honest.
Thyroid gland.
There's a bit of that. Okay.
Parathyroid gland.
Yeah, show us the parathyroids. That's a parathyroid, apparently.
Parathyroid gland.
So what do these do? Produce a hormone that raises the level of calcium. When your calcium levels drop, these glands secrete hormones that cause different areas of the body to release and store more calcium in order to maintain a healthy balance. Okay. We have the... Oh, that's where the adrenal glands are. Really?
Adrenal glands.
On your kidneys. Huh. I was not aware of that. Yep. Sex hormones for reproduction. There certainly are. Oh god, yeah, this is where I definitely get a lot of epinephrine.
Pancreas.
Pancreas. Yep. Digestive juices. Oh yeah, yep. Raises the level of glucose in the blood. Insulin reduces blood sugar levels. Testicles.
Testes.
Testes. Oh, we've learnt the singular way, the singular word for a testicle. For testicles, it's testes, not testes. Yeah, there you go. Scrotal sac.
Scrotal sac.
I'm having too much fun just looking at all the dick stuff. The baby gravy makers, exactly. Totally kind of interesting that they got this cool little cross section though. Packed with tightly coiled tubes called seminiferous tubules, which can be up to 70 centimeters long. Thousands of sperm cells matured inside the tubules. Oh, hang on, they read this out for it, doesn't it? Oh, you don't want to read it out. Okay. Yep, well that's certainly a lot of sperm. No glands on the bottom of your leg. Not really much going on, like, in your legs. Like, there's probably, yeah, you got your blood, your nervous system. Not much else. Not much else goes on in your legs.
Your skeleton is your inner
Oh, it's spooky.
The 206 bones that hold up the human
Yep,
body.
so where's my information? I got some here, little bit up here, a little bit here. I'm a very sore boy. This is for sure. Let's switch over. So we did. Oh, we can get the 3D outlook too. Yeah, that'd be cool. Yeah. Oh, and you get little. Oh, and you can spin it, rotate it. Yeah. Okay, now that's pretty cool. Oh, we get a video too.
Inside the brain.
Oh, you wanna play that for us, program? There you go. This is your brain. This is also your brain on Windows 3.1. Yep. Certainly a lot of bits and bobs in there. Okay. No, it's nice of them to actually put... You always sort of have to go, like, reasonably deep into these sort of games. Yeah, we got the skull, we got... Ooh, joints, though. Ears... It's the eye. Yeah, let's learn some stuff about the eye.
Inside the eye.
Let's learn about the eye. Oh no, there wasn't any like voiceover or anything for these ones. You just get the rundown on the eye, don't you? Rundown on the bit. Oh, and you can go to the actual anatomy of it too.
Of the eye.
Okay. Conjunctivita.
Conjunctiva.
Oh, conjunctiva.
Conjunctiva.
Yeah, thank you. Sclera. What's a sclera?
Sclera.
Sclera. White part of your eye, but most of it is hidden by your eye socket. Firm outer coat shapes and protects the eye. Yeah. Okay, that's where we got the question wrong. Yeah, 6 muscles. So how many? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it doesn't really show off where the muscles actually are, does it? Okay.
Vitreous humor. Aqueous humor.
Yeah, righto. And we can... How do we go back?
The nervous system.
No, that's the
consists-
system scanner. 3D scanner. What else we got going on? There's some intestines. Yep. Oh, and you get little stats. You can zoom in. Takes around 6 hours for food to pass through the small intestine into the large intestine, where it remains for up to 2 days. Yep. Yeah, usually about, yeah, it's about 2 days, because I'm on Metamucil. In stretch contain nearly 500 mils, about 1 pint of urine. My bladder's bigger than that. Yeah, I used to go on the piss all the time. Got a much bigger bladder than that. What's this little thing? Gallbladder. Oh yeah, attached to your liver. Okay. Yeah, alright. Don't get a... Oh, we can rotate it though. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that's alright. Alright. Let's go see what's in the booty. What fun stuff's on the back here? Got... And your lungs take up a lot of space, don't they? Got some pelvis. There's the booty hole again. Yeah, and I keep saying not a lot going on down on the legs. There certainly is not. Anyway, so is that really all there was? Just the actual X-ray, sure. What's the viewer do? Ah, yeah. So this is the reverse X-ray if we wanna. Oh, okay. And we can go down to the X-ray if we so desire. So you can get like another little cross section if you feel the urge. Okay. And we get a little, there's a little index. Yeah, okay, alright. I think we've kind of looked at everything in the program. I'm going to do the body quiz one more time, see if I learnt anything.
Welcome to the Body Quiz Challenge.
Let's do that. Hopefully we don't get the same questions again. Alright, different questions this time. How much does the hair on your head grow every year? Is this like an average or how much my hair grows? Because it doesn't grow a lot. It is, I want to say 12 centimeters. Correct. Good. Right, where's the optic nerve enter the eye? We had this, didn't we? Was it the blind spot? Yes. Alright. What have we got to beat? 19 out of 30? Oh god, I found it. Stephen Beastie's incredible cross section. Oh, there you go. All right, no, we found the program of that. Yeah, I was just talking about that before. You get the cross section of a British man of war, but there's like he did like a whole series of those sort of books. What part of the brain controls your blood pressure? Frontal lobe, cerebellum, medulla oblongata. Let's say cerebellum. No, frontal lobes. Medulla oblongata. Yeah, righto. Yeah, like I even looked, you can still get those books on Amazon as well. Where is the plantar arch? Inner ear, foot, pelvis. Well, I've had plantar, I have plantar warts. Let's go with foot. Foot is correct. Good stuff. Yeah, I did that. I know I did that too. I have a plantar wart on my finger. It sucks. I've been trying to get rid of it for about a year now. How long are the longest nerves in your body? They're fairly, let's say a foot. No, half a foot. No, a meter. Longest nerves are 1 meter long. Okay. What do lymphocytes do? Oh, we learned about this. Destroy, filters your blood? No. I think, no, they produce, no. Don't they draw liquid? I think. Yeah, alright. Destroys harmful bacteria then. I thought they did like a few things. Anyway. What is another word for collarbone? I think it's clavicle. Yes. What part of your diet gives the body its most efficient sort of energy? Sent an image on Discord now. Let's have a look at that. Ah, yeah. Yeah, that's a little creepy, not gonna lie. Yeah, they've even put like the bottom of his spine, and yeah, it looks like he's it looks like someone's opened up the top of a can of like that canned spaghetti. That's yeah, that's interesting. I might even see if they did more computer program versions of his books, or we could just look through the books. I could find like PDFs of it or something. What part of your diet gives the body its most efficient source of energy? Proteins? No. Vitamins? No. Carbs. Has that changed in the last couple of years? Because everyone kept saying, like, aren't carbs bad now? I don't know. In an average lifetime, what volume of blood does the heart pump? Let's say 8 million. Be reasonable. No. 800,000. No. Didn't get that one right. Where's your fovea? Yeah, that was the eye, wasn't it? Yeah. Don't know how many more questions we've got to answer. What are the... Oh, yeah. Duodenum, gelum, and the ileum make up? That was the bowel? No. Large intestine? Small intestine. It's nice so you can at least get the answer eventually. I should have gotten that one because we had it before. What is a barium meal used for? To prevent blockages in the intestines, to cleanse the colon, to produce clearer X-ray images of the intestines. I think it's C. Yeah. Some of these terms are unfamiliar to me. Yeah, there's a lot about the body. And yeah, they seem to keep learning more about it day in and day out. How long does it take for food to travel through the small intestine? We learnt that. That was 6 hours. Oh, excuse me. Which muscle makes up the bulk of your buttock? That was the gluteus maximus. It still makes me giggle. I know that. I giggled quite a lot at it when I was a kid. What are phalanges types of? Bones? Yeah, correct. Alright. Gluteus. I remember that was always like the made up Roman name you'd see and stuff. The gluteus maximus. Alright, we edged out. We got 1 extra point. So we learnt something at least. Well, that's good. Well, we'll leave that there, because that was alright. Don't want to spend too much time on it, though.
I'm watching Death Sandals video, by the way. That's who the person is. So if you want to watch a full playthrough, Death Sandals,